Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I'm back again. Today I'm going to make mutton and potato mix up with that. I'm going to make the curry and it will be very delicious and tasty. I hope you all will like it. Please watch the video fully. Do not skip. So come on, let us start the recipe. I will show you the ingredients, what I'm going to use now. Friends, I have taken 1 kilo of mutton here, is washed out and kept. Now I am going to marinate this. I have taken dhania, jeera, red chili, about 2 and 1 green chili. Made the masalas into paste, and ginger and garlic also is in this. This also is made paste all together. So I am going to use this to marinate the mutton. So first of all, I'll put this. Put some turmeric powder and put the salt to taste. Afterwards, I will check the taste, then I will use little more salt if it is less. Now I'm going to mix this up nicely. I will use some mustard oil also in this. Little bit mustard oil I will put here, because I have to fry the onions also. In that also I will put oil. So only just to marinate the meat I have put the mustard oil, little bit, not much. I will keep this aside about 10 minutes. By the time I will fry the onions, I will keep this for 10 minutes aside. By the time I will get ready with the other ingredients. Now I will put some mustard oil. Let the oil turn hot. I have sliced up some onions, about 5 to 6 onions here, big. So half of the onions I will fry and half of the onions I will put it raw with the meat. Oil is turned hot and I have put in the onions. I have taken khara garam masala, you can see it. Put this also in. I have taken bay leaves, this also I will put in, and fry the onions till golden brown. Friends, the onion is already almost turned golden brown, you can see it. Now I will put in the marinated mutton. I have kept it for marination, so now I am going to put it in. I will mix this nicely now. Now I will put in the onions which I have kept raw over here. This I will put in. I will let this mutton dry up, the water which the mutton will leave. Then I will fry the mutton along with the masala which I have marinated along with it. And then I will add some more water afterwards, not now. I will let this dry now because the mutton will leave water and the onion also. So cover it for a while. Friends, you can see the water coming out from the mutton. This water will dry. And then I'll fry the mutton with the masala which is put in it. While the meat is cooking, nice aroma is coming out, nice scent, very delicious. Friends, you can see the water is dried up now. Now I will fry the mutton along with this masala. Friends, you can see the oil coming out from the mutton. Now the mutton is frying. Fry the mutton along with the masalas nicely. How nice it is looking, how delicious. See the pieces also, how nice it is. Once the masala is fried up, nice taste it will be. I have chopped up some tomatoes and kept over here. This also I will use. I have taken potatoes. You can see about 6 I have taken, and the potatoes are full. I haven't cut it, so I will use this now in the curry. So I will put all the potatoes in the curry now. Now mix this along with the mutton. Now I will mix some water. Add some water to it. I have chopped up the tomatoes. I will put it in. This is meat masala. This also I will put in. This is garam masala powder. This also I will put in some. Mix it well. The potatoes also will cook along with the mutton now. I will give it about 4 to 5 whistles. So cover it up and let it whistle about 4 to 5. Friend, the mutton curry is ready. You can see how delicious it's looking. Lovely it's looking. It's all cooked up also. I will show you. The meat is cooked up. You can see how nicely it's cooked up. Cut it into pieces also. See? It's cooked up very nicely. And the curry also is ready. How delicious and tasty it's looking. And the potatoes also are cooked up. Thank you for watching my video. Even the potatoes also are cooked up well.